Pack smart. Checked bags are not for casino winnings, but traveling can be an exhilarating experience, especially when you've just hit the jackpot at a casino. However, the excitement of winning big can quickly turn into anxiety when it comes to packing your newfound wealth for the journey home. Such is the case in a story we discussed on the Yo 11 podcast. Although this incident happened with Spirit Airlines, I know, but follow along, it could happen on any airline. That being said, here's where mindful packing comes into play, ensuring that your hard-earned winnings and other valuables remain safe and secure. 1. Carry-on is king. When it comes to transporting cash, jewelry, or any other high-value items, your carry-on bag should be your best friend. Never place these items in your checked luggage, as it can be lost, delayed, or even pilfered. Airlines handle millions of bags annually, and while most make it to their destination without issue, there's always a risk. By keeping your casino winnings and other valuables with you, you maintain control and significantly reduce the chances of them going missing. 2. Distribute your valuables. Instead of placing all your winnings in one spot, consider distributing them across multiple locations. This could mean splitting cash between your wallet, a money belt, and even a secure pouch inside your carry-on. Diversifying the storage locations adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if one compartment is compromised, you won't lose everything. 3. Invest in high-quality travel gear. A sturdy, well-constructed carry-on bag with secure compartments can make a world of difference. Look for bags with lockable zippers, RFID blocking pockets to protect against electronic pickpocketing, and reinforced materials that can withstand rough handling. High-quality gear not only offers better protection, but also deters potential thieves who are looking for easy targets. 4. Utilize hotel safes. If you're staying in a hotel before your flight, make use of the in-room safe for temporary storage. This adds an extra layer of security, especially if you need to leave your room for any reason. Just ensure you double-check the safe before checking out to avoid leaving anything behind. 5. Be discreet. Though drawing attention to your casino winnings can make you a target, avoid flashing large sums of money or expensive items in public. When packing, do so discreetly and avoid discussing your winnings with strangers. The less attention you draw to your valuables, the safer they will be. 6. Know the rules and regulations. Different countries and airlines have various rules regarding the transport of large sums of money or valuables. Before you travel, familiarize yourself with these regulations to avoid any legal issues. Some countries require you to declare amounts over a certain threshold, and failure to do so can result in confiscation or fines. 7. Consider alternative methods. For extremely large sums, consider alternative methods of transport. Banks, security companies, and specialized transport services can offer secure ways to move large amounts of money. While these services come at a cost, the peace of mind they provide can be invaluable. 8. Stay alert and vigilant. Finally, always remain aware of your surroundings. Airports are bustling places and distractions are common. Keep your carry-on bag close to you at all times and never leave it unattended. A moment of inattention is all it takes for a thief to make off with your valuables. 9. One simple solution. If you made it this far, I saved the best for last. Get your winnings in a check. Yes, this is an option. And in some cases, you can have your casino winnings directly deposited. No need to carry big wads of cash on you when you can carry a check in your wallet, purse, or carry-on. 10. The best jackpots. The best jackpots are the ones that make it home with you. So be mindful, get a check, or at least keep your cash in your carry-on. Don't let your hard-earned winnings travel through the mechanical corridors and human hands that checked baggage goes through. Otherwise, the jackpot itself would be an intangible memory. Can you think of other methods to get that paper home securely? Sound off in the comments.